Hello, TV aficionados. Struggling with the sound on your Sharp TV? You're in the right place. Today we'll guide you through some essential steps on how to fix volume on Sharp TV, ensuring you never miss a whisper or surround sound moment again. With just a few troubleshooting steps, you'll have your sound issues sorted and your favorite shows back to their best. Step 1. Check remote control functions. First things first, let's inspect the most obvious culprits. Your remote control. Ensure that the remote is functioning properly by checking the battery level. New, freshly replaced batteries can sometimes solve the issue. Also, inspect the remote for any visible damage or sticky jammed buttons that could be causing inconsistencies in response. You can also try adjusting the volume using the control buttons located directly on the TV to determine if the problem lies with the remote itself. Step 2. Inspect TV sound settings. Once we've ruled out remote troubles, dive into your TV's audio settings. Grab your remote and navigate to the menu section. Then select Audio Settings or Sound Settings. Make sure that the volume isn't accidentally set to mute or at a very low setting. Check if any particular audio mode is enabled, such as night mode or headphones mode. That might be limiting sound output. Adjust sound equalizer settings or reset audio settings to default for a balanced audio output. Step 3. Test external audio systems. If you use external sound equipment like a soundbar or home theater system, ensure they are properly connected to your Sharp TV. Double check all cable connections, ensuring they're securely plugged in. Modern TVs often have multiple audio output settings such as HDMI ARC, optical, or RCA. Ensure your output mode matches the connection being used. Sometimes simply switching your sound output mode to another option can revive your TV's audio. Step 4. Run a software update. Your TV's software could also be playing a part. Manufacturers frequently release firmware updates to fix known bugs, including audio issues. Go to the Settings menu, navigate to System or Support, and check for any available updates. If your TV is not connected to the internet, you may need to manually download the update onto a USB stick using a computer and transfer it to the TV. Step 5. Investigate hardware issues. If all else fails, it might be time to inspect the hardware. Ensure nothing is obstructing the TV speakers. Then carefully check the TV casing for any signs of physical damage. For older models, speaker issues can develop over time due to wear and tear. If none of the previously mentioned solutions resolve the volume issue, you might need to contact Sharp customer support or an authorized technician for repair. And there you have it, all the steps you need on how to fix volume on Sharp TV. By following this guide, you should be able to diagnose and fix many common sound problems. With your TV volume back to normal, there's nothing stopping you from enjoying incredible audio quality on all your favorite shows and movies. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing or sharing it with others who might benefit. Enjoy your sound-perfect Sharp TV experience.